There, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am up here in beautiful Wedge Woods, just north of Whistler, on our newest new construction building site. As you can see, everything is set up and ready to go. We are just in the process of waiting for the final approvals on our building permit, and the boys are getting the site ready for excavation and foundation. And all the wall panels are actually already on site, prefabbed in our prefab plant, ready to go as soon as the foundation is ready to go. So let's have a quick panoramic view of this beautiful new building site up at the top of Wedge Woods. Well, this lovely lot up on Wedge Woods actually is lot 5 on this last phase for Wedge Woods up near the top. This view here is looking south, and as we wrap around to the west and then slowly focusing up to Peekaboo View up to the north, you can see that they get about a 180-degree panoramic view south to west. And then of course we do have a fairly spectacular view up into the corner of the mountains sitting up here above us. So really fantastic location here in Wedge Woods, and really looking forward to getting our site works done and progressing on to foundation walls. And that big pile of tarped material in the back there, of course, those are all the pre-framed walls, including interior walls. That's ready to go, and the boys are now just going to start prefabbing all the flooring components, so that is also ready when the foundation is done. So we should be able to expect that once the foundation is complete, we should see a house with a roof on within a couple of weeks, which will be very exciting. So stay tuned for a few more updates on this exciting new project. This will achieve the BC Energy Code Step 4 level and will be labeled as a CHBA Net Zero project. So if you like what you see, please follow along on YouTube or like any of our other social media pages to get regular updates. Thanks for watching.